Good day! This is Angela Bless, Bebis-Royo, and welcome for another video about learning. This video presentation is all about to understand the reference angle.
Hi! For today's video, I will discuss on how to solve the reference angle. Makinig para may matutunan. Reference angle. The objectives of the topics are define the reference angle, the terminal side, the initial side, and how to solve for the reference angle, also the quadrant formula. Okay, let's start first. We need to identify the reference angle. What is reference angle? Okay. The reference angle that the given angle makes with the x-axis, regardless of where the angle ends. No, that is regardless of the location of the terminal side of the angle. The reference angle measures the closest distance of the terminal side to the axis. The reference angle is the smallest angle between the terminal side and the x-axis. Okay. In mathematics, the reference angle defined as acute angle is measuring less than 90 degrees. Basically, angles on the x and y plane have the reference angle. No? How is the reference angle useful? The reference angle always has the same functions, values as the original angle. Note the word values there. No? The sign may not be the same, but the value always will be the same. This is useful for common angles like 45 degree and 60 degree that we will encounter over and over again. Now, let me show you our Cartesian plane. Our Cartesian plane is equivalent of, the whole Cartesian plane is equivalent of 360 degrees. Ito. And the blue line here, ito, is our terminal side, which is our rotating ray. And ito namang red na side na ito, na line, is our initial side, which is our x-axis. And this green arrow, ito, is what we call our angle, the side of our angle. And always remember that our angle, our reference angle, is between in our terminal side and our initial side, which is the x-axis. How to find the reference angle? Okay, to find our reference angle, it depends on the quadrant of the terminal sides. We can choose a proper formula for calculating the reference angle. So let's begin with quadrant 1. Okay. In our quadrant 1, when the terminal side is in the quadrant 1, in the first quadrant, our formula is reference angle equals angle. Angles from 0 degree to 90 degrees. The reference angle is the same as our given angle. This makes sense since all the angles in the first quadrant is less than 90 degrees. So let's have an example. Find the reference angle of 33 degrees. Our formula is reference angle equals angle. No? So, if our example angle is 30 degrees, then its reference angle is also 33 degrees. Because our first quadrant is the reference angle is the same as the given angle. Okay. I will show you the Cartesian plane of a whole 360 degrees. That's equivalent of 360 degrees. This blue is our terminal side, right? And our initial side. Since doon siya sa first quadrant, yung angle natin, makikita talaga sa first quadrant. Ito yung angle natin, 33 degrees. For the second quadrant, when the terminal side is in the second quadrant, okay, the formula is reference angle equals 180 degree minus the angle. Angles from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay, let's have an example. Find the reference angle of 110 degrees. Our formula is reference angle equals 180 degree minus the angle. So our angle is 110. So reference angle equals 180 degree minus 110 degree is 70 degrees. Okay, let me show you the Cartesian plane. Ito yun. The blue line here is our terminal side, at saka yung red line here is our initial side of x-axis. Asan na yun? Sorry. And then the green arrow here is the angle of our 180 degree minus the 110 is the 70 degree. Okay. Now, dito tayo sa third quadrant, no? When the terminal side is in the third quadrant, our formula is reference angle equals angle minus 180 degrees. Angles from 180 degrees to 270 degrees. For example, find the reference angle of 214 degrees. Okay. our formula is reference angle minus equals to angle minus 180 degrees. So, if our example angle is 214 degrees, then our reference angle is 34 degrees because 214 degree minus 180 degree equals to 34 degrees. This is our Cartesian plane. Okay, we have our, this is 214 degree ha, hindi yan 112, na wrong lang, 214 degree yan. And this is our angle, for the reference angle of 214 degree. Okay, next, let's have the fourth quadrant. Okay, last quadrant ito ha. When our terminal side is in the fourth quadrant, our formula is reference angle equals 360 degree minus the angle. Angles from 270 degree to 360 degree. For example, find the reference angle of 332 degree. Okay, our formula is reference angle equals 360 degrees minus our given angle. So our given angle is 332 degrees. Difference? So if our example angle is 332 degrees, then our reference angle is 28 degrees because 360 degree minus 332 degree is equal to 28 degrees. And that is our Cartesian plane. This one is our hinahanap at reference angle niya, and the reference angle niya is 28 degrees. That's it. Then, okay, next let's go to our summary. Okay, first, reference angle can be found between the terminal side and the initial side of the x-axis. The formulas are, in the first quadrant, angles from 0 degree to 90 degree is reference angle equals angle. In the second quadrant naman, 90 degree to 180 degree is reference angle equals 180 degree minus the given angle. And the third quadrant is angles from 180 degree to 270 degree, reference angle equals angle minus 180 degree. At saka sa last quadrant natin, for the fourth quadrant, 270 degree to 360 degree, the reference angle or the formula is reference angle equals 360 degree minus the angle. So that's it. Okay, I hope you have learned. Sana may natutunan kayo sa mga pinagsasabi ko kanina. Okay, kung bago pa lang kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more learning, video, and information. See you for my next another video. Paalam!